I'll go to this push related stuff. So nowadays, research in motion, Blackberry says now all the services as platform services. Like they call special link is us.blackberry.com/developer/platform. So it's called Blackberry Application Platform Services. It contains push services, location services, map services, advertising services, payment services. If you see the last four, these been added in last 2-3 years after App Store, all these features. And but I will cover the push service, how it works, what needs to be done around it, high level, something to be left for the advanced level. So in BlackBerry push service, you can get more details in this URL us.blackberry.com/developer/platform/push-api.jsp. There are three components here in this platform services. These are devices where the push received on the device, like email notification, email push, and this is a BlackBerry push data server. It can be it is BS, MDS, or it can be a operator hosted or provided by the research in motion. That's this, and this is application content provider like myself. Like if I am having application, I want to push something, so my server side application would be deployed here, which wants to send a push onto this device. What it does, it take a device pin here and call one API here on this using it's a web interface, web XML. Sorry, not web XML. It's a XML in HTTP, using HTTP post method. So request comes here, then it's given notification here. Then this box, the push data server, communicates with these devices, and once the push notified here, then also acknowledges here using callback. Right? So steps are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these steps are like how you break. Content provider sends a push request. BlackBerry infrastructure returns a response. BlackBerry infrastructure pushes the data to the BlackBerry smartphone. BlackBerry smartphone returns a response to the BlackBerry infrastructure. BlackBerry infrastructure forwards acknowledgement to content provider. Read notification is returned to the BlackBerry infrastructure. So these are the 6 steps which was drawn by arrow here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similar diagram is available on this website as well. You can look at it. It's a very clear understanding how you can create the push type of solution using BlackBerry framework. Now, what type of examples you can have using a push? Like one is obviously email notification, which you're getting on your devices. One of the implementation we did, like the BlackBerry approvals. Then you can have a breaking news alerts. Then you can have we have games. We send daily packs, daily crosswords using push framework. You can also have a stock alerts application using push framework. And a couple of companies also using alerts on BlackBerry device, and these alerts coming from the manufacturing plants. So anything which needs a good notification on the device when you are on the move, you can use it for the push, and it's a very good, awesome framework, I'll say. And that's the only bread and butter for the BlackBerry. And we have been using the push framework in our games and application, and using this you can involve users a lot. If you develop some application, then implement push framework. Then only you can create a excitement to users on your application when there's something is coming every time, once in a day or once in a week. You can always uh, bring people to your application in the device, and that's the thing on the BlackBerry frameworks. So if you look at the BlackBerry website, there's a concept of BlackBerry super app. So if you look at this link, this is BlackBerry super app. They what if you develop an application, which is when you say super app, what it means? It defines by some attributes. These are BlackBerry super app attributes. Always on experience. Always on experience means you are always connected. Means you can receive notification, everything. You are always connected. Whenever you are moving, you are connected. That's the advantage of mobile technology. Now it is a social and connected. Like BlackBerry also provides Facebook's, Twitter integration APIs. So when you develop an application, you can integrate with the Facebook social networking integration. So you can connect with the Facebook through your application as well. And you can create a contextualized, like location specific. You can get location coordinates, and you can give content specific to the location. Like if I'm in Delhi, I should get Delhi specific content. So you can create an application. You can push content depending on the location. And the an obvious part is proactive notification driven. You give a notification, user receives on the BlackBerry device whenever the person is moving out. Then and you can take immediate decision. Like in companies, like you want a leave approval, your boss is moving, boss will get approval on the BlackBerry, and he can approve immediately from the mobile device, like sales order approval, purchase approval, and travel approvals. You can implement all those approvals on BlackBerry device. And another thing, integration with the apps, native apps. You can integrate with the calls, you call logs, you can integrate with the camera, you can integrate with the calculator. There are a lot of standard applications on BlackBerry device which any custom application can integrate with using you're using invoke class. And BlackBerry is very efficient. That's what they say. Like their battery lasts very long compared to the Nokia devices though. I think I am running out of time and I am done. So this is the last slide and I'm done. This is thank you. So we can take the questions.